Hi, my name is Caitlin Eldredge, and I'm the BDM at Copeland Chevrolet Hyannis. I recently went to the MasterClass down in North Carolina, and I learned a ton and was so excited to bring it home to our dealership. The four main things that really stuck out while I was there, the first one definitely was customer experience and using the analogy of Disney World and the experience that people have while in Disney World, and trying to put that towards with our dealership and certain little things that might make the customer even more happier and to want to return back to us time and time again. Like, for example, if they're here purchasing a vehicle and it's taking a little while to be here, thank the customer by sending them dinner or an edible arrangement or anything like that, because it will just stick us out against the other dealerships. The next one is more with accountability for myself and for my team, and making sure during hourly roll calls we get to the why and what happened, why we didn't make a certain amount of phone calls or contacts or appointments, and really breaking it down by every hour. The other thing that I learned was different personality types and how to communicate with people with different types of personalities using my personality. There are some customers that just want straight to the point, and I was able to learn how to overcome that and overcome those objections. The other thing that really stuck out was just by tweaking a few little things, able to make the dealership more money, which in turn would make my team more money and myself more money. So, just by changing little things, by different types of call routing. If our department is taking in a ton of phone calls for service, we need to change that, because all those phone calls that we're making at service, we could actually be making on our sales and making revenue out of it. So those little things really stuck out, and it really helped when I returned back to make our team whole and work together with the sales managers and the salespersons as a whole.